Hey guys, Terrence here with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be using a Hydroblast. This unit uses hot water and a chemical to degrease parts, and that's all it does. It does not do any kind of finishing or anything like that. It just degreases, gets grime, grit. As you can see, this part here, it's off of a little Z50 motorcycle, it's the foot pegs. So you see how grime and greasy it is. So we're going to put it in here and clean it up. All right. All right guys, so we just pulled this out of the Hydroblast. I tried to blast half of it so you could actually see the difference. It totally degreased this side of you can see rubbing on it, everything. Hands are clean, and you can see over here it's still grimy and gritty. So, and it was effortless. It took a matter of seconds just to do that half. So, it gives you an idea what the Hydroblast can do.